Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video. I am Ali and you watching Ali Vlogs Caffe. Today I will show you how to use this Americano machine Fetco. So let's start this video. So guys, now you can see this machine now is off. You can power on from here this switch, and now this machine is on. Long press, then you can go directly the menu. Now this machine is manual because I set this machine manual because I always put water from here, and if you press here minus, this machine automatic means the back this side this machine have one pipe for water, so this machine automatically fuel the water. And next menu, press next. This about the temperature, I set this machine temperatures Celsius. If you press the minus, this temperature mention you false, but I set Celsius. The next I set the temperature 93. This highest 97 only. If you want to 90, 85, you can adjust from here, but I set the temperature water 93. That is good for your black coffee. This is about the liter. I set the liter capacity 1.8 maximum. Next, it's optional menu. You can skip. The timer 400 mean your coffee approx maybe 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes your coffee is ready. Or fuel the water from here 5 minutes. This also time same. This you can skip, nothing mean. This is calibration 1298. I set like that. Then you can, this is the menu. After you the all set up the menu, remove the filter basket, sorry, and put like this filter. So next video I will show you how to make black coffee from this machine. And if you put the filter, first clean the with hot water because this is paper smell. First clean the filter with hot water like that, then all water remove. So guys, next video I will show you how to make black coffee from this Americano machine. So guys, hope you like my video, and if you like my video, so please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And next video I will show you how to make black coffee from this machine Fetco. So see you next video. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Assalam.